Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to TID Academy. So transform India to digital investing. So let us see today how to double your money in just 4 to 5 years or 3 years. It depends on the company. So I'll just take you to investing.com. This is the investing.com. So go back to investing.com. Click on this technical chart, and once you click on the technical chart, it comes like this. Full screen mode, take it at candles, and so this, see how to observe. What I did, I went to technical indicators, apply RSI. So in this video just we are discussing how to make your money double in just 3 to 4 years. I'm telling the word, how to double your money with minimum risk in 3 to 4 years. So for this there are some preconditions. What are the preconditions? You need to invest in good quality companies. So never ever invest in the companies whose market cap, I'm using the word market capitalization. So where will you get this market capitalization? If you go to Money Control app, if you go to NSE India, if you go to the company website, wherever you go, you'll get this market cap. So note this point. Any company whose market cap is above 40,000 crore, if you invest in that company, definitely you will definitely make money, and nature of business, everything should be top class, like IT sector, like something like Asian Paints, Reliance, TCS, Muthoot Finance, Escorts, or anything. So Escorts and Muthoot Finance comes under mid cap. So whereas other stocks like Asian Paints and Infosys, Wipro, everything comes under large caps. Always everyone wants to invest their money in safer stocks. If you want to invest in safer stocks, always go with the blue chips. So blue chips means any company whose market cap is above 40,000 crores. Now let us come back to the subject. So subject is how to double your money in 3 to 4 years. Simple technique, I'll tell you. So this same technique you apply for Asian Paints, TCS, Wipro, Escorts, Muthoot Finance, anything you apply, you will be shocked to know that everything doubled, more than doubled. So just only one illustration I can show you in this video. So now let us go back to the video. See, RSI means relative strength index. So how to read RSI? So whenever the stock comes below this 30 mark, you can see here, right, 30, below 30, if it comes, it's called a buying zone. This is also called as a oversold levels. People have sold. They themselves finally converted to buyers. This is called as overbought levels. People are buying. It is gone above 70. I'm using the word gone above 70. Finally stock falls. I think you're able to understand. Whenever RSI comes below 30, blindly invest in the blue chip companies. I'm using the word blue chip companies means large companies. So let me go back. So it has gone up. Once again I'll put RSI. See, RSI, it has come. So only once is enough. I'll go back to 2016. Just 4 years will just calculate the things. So go back to 2016. So I'm just going 2016 आ गया, अभी calculate कर लो. So I'll just take this one. So even this way also we can take it. So I'll just take this cut short. So 2016, what was the price? Are you able to see here? Share price low. You have to check the low. L OHLC. O means open, high, H means high, L means low, C means closing price. This candle will give you that much data. Let us assume you bought it at lowest point, 449. Note it down, 449. And when did RSI come below that 30? In 2017. So you can see here 2017 में और एक बार नीचे आ गया, RSI नीचे आ गया. So RSI has come below 30. Again you have bought. And when did it again come? So some technical issue, don't worry. So we'll put RSI. So this technical issue is there. I'll just go back 2016. So RSI somewhere here you will bought at 449, and again you bought it at somewhere near 451. Two times you have bought it. One time you bought it in 2016, one more time you bought it in 2017. So one thing I am telling you clearly, whenever market asks you to put money, you put, but blindly don't put. When you have money, don't put. When market is at lower point, you have to put. This many people don't know. They will blindly put. When they have money, they will put. This should not be the case in stock market. In stock market, whenever the shares are at cheaper price, you have to invest. How to know which is cheaper, which is costly? Use this indicator. That's why I am teaching you RSI technique. RSI technique will tell which is cheaper, which is costlier. So now you can see here, RSI was below, just touched 30. Again you bought it at price 629 at 2018. At 2019 once again here, again RSI came below 30. Again you have bought at 615. So again you bought it at 509. Somewhere here, can you see 509? RSI came below 30 in 2020. Again you have bought it. So now just calculate last numbers, 5 numbers I told, right? 629, 630, 615, what are things? 452, 450 and 509. Just 5 numbers. Whatever the numbers we calculated, sit and calculate. Just do the addition and divide by 5. Do the addition of all the 5 numbers I told. Which are the numbers? 450, 452, 630, 615 and 509. Why I am taking these numbers? It's the lowest point. RSI came to these points and you have bought the prices, the share prices you bought at this cheaper price. Now divided by 5. This will give the average buying price. So average buying price is, if you calculate and use a calculator, and if you do it, it comes somewhere near 535 rupees. Somewhere there. So now where is the share price? It is trading at 1123.5. So I am telling, so it is telling one thing, that always invest at lower levels. When you have money, don't invest. When market asks you to invest, invest. How will market ask? When RSI comes below 30, blindly invest in the companies, that too which are blue chips. So don't invest in chota mota companies and cry later. Beginning itself I am telling, always invest in blue chips. So now you are able to understand how did we double the money. From 535 average buying price, one share is trading at 1123 today, as on today. Today date is 11th November 2020. So this same technique you apply for Asian Paints and check out whether I am telling truth or false. Whatever the things I am telling, whether it is really working out or a fake. This video is fake. You can just cross over. Don't believe anyone. Don't trust my video also. Just cross check the things and enter. Okay. Hope you are enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you. If any doubts, any clarification, you can visit TD Academy. It's a Bangalore's #1 coaching institute for stock market. Thank you.